from Frau Holle Cottage. I'll let you guys see. It's raining. It's been raining and it's going to continue to rain. Oh, do I hear thunder? I can't tell. I think it is. Southern California is being hit by a lot of rain in certain areas, and I do believe that that was thunder. Very cool. It's still going. Can you hear it? I don't think that's a plane. Anyway, Southern California is really having a lot of weather in certain parts and a lot of mudslides, landslides. And here where we are, we haven't ventured out yet, but I do have to go to the post office and I have to run some errands. So I'm sure we'll run across some big puddles. Well, we are getting our errands done, rain or shine. I like going out in the rain. I don't mind it at all. You just got to drive slower and watch out, you know, a little bit more. And it hasn't stopped raining all day. And I got my cake done. I just need to ice it when I get home. And I think we have one more errand to do. And we'll be going home where it's nice and cozy. Good stuff.